Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and it is time to make crafting fun.
From BeeBeecraft, we have this beautiful sign that says welcome, and also we have a hello sign on the back, and they are so beautiful. I just love them. Look at that. They have 8 in total, 4 of each sign, as you can see, and they come with twine. Now we have this half beads, and we have 125 beads, so I can do lots of things with those. Now we have these beautiful baskets, and look at them. Let me get them out of here so you can look how beautiful they are. So boho cute. I'm gonna be doing something really cute with this. Let me show you. They are really awesome. And look at those sizes. Now let me get the bigger one out. And look at that. It's beautiful and big. So I have to do something awesome. In the description box down below, you're going to find the link to BeeBeecraft and also all of these products so you can go and check them out. And there will be a coupon code for all of you. So go into the description box and check that out so you can go and see those beautiful products, because that's not only beads. As you can see, we have a little bit of everything over here, like this beads and some wooden signs and some baskets. So go and check them out. They have lots of beautiful things over there. Go to my description box and get those links. And this is part of the Sunday Funday, hosted by the beautiful Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy, and also the beautiful crafting cousins Trish and Kay. In the description box down below, you're going to find the link to the playlist and also to both of their channels so you can go and check them out and check out the playlist. Now for a haul from my thrift store, and we have this beautiful creepy tombstones, and I have 2 of them, and I only paid $3 for them. But look at them. They are so cute, and they have a spider and a spider web. Now we're gonna move on to this beautiful pillow that I paid $2.20, I think, or $2. And look at this. This is so cute. It's beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we have also this beautiful calendar, and I paid $3 for this one. And as you can see, we have the numbers, and it is so cute. I just love it. But let me know what you think about that one. I think that was a bargain. Now we have this mask that I paid $2 for it, and we're gonna revamp it and change those colors because I wanted to make it Halloweeny beautiful. But look at that. It's so cute, and it is paper mache, but it is painted with too many colors. Now moving on, we have these 3 beautiful pumpkins, and they are so funny, and they costed only 35 cents because they don't have the light or batteries, but I got 3 of them. And look at that. So cute. You're gonna see something with those pretty soon. Now I have this bowl, and it has a couple of damaged sides, as you can see, painting peeling off, but we can fix that. But this is too beautiful to let go. I just love it. And look at that. Now we have those beautiful witchy hats for 75 cents, and I got 3 of them because I have something in my mind that I want to make with those. Super cute. Now, we have this beautiful oil burning thingy that costed me only $2, $2.25, I'm sorry. And it is so cute, and it is like new. I just love it. And we have this beautiful bowl that will hold our candy for Halloween. And look at that. It is so cute. It's missing a couple of those charms, but I did not mind because this is too cute. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below because I think it's all worth it. Now, we have these beautiful dangling signs. And we have a ghost that says boo to you. And we have a pumpkin that says eek to you. Now we have this beautiful cat for 75 cents, and it is too cute to pass. Now I have those candles, and those are tea lights for 50 cents, and I got 5 of them, and those will go with my village. Now this cauldron, and I'm so excited about this one. I only paid 50 cents for it. It needs a little bit of love, but I have an idea with this one, and I'm so excited. Now these cutouts, I paid 10 cents because they don't have the stakes on the bottom. They are broken, but I think I can do something really cute with all of those. We will see. Just subscribe so you can see what I create. And here we have this beautiful basket. I've been looking for a basket like this like forever, and I just love it. It's like a pumpkin. The person just painted it, but we can fix that and it will look beautiful. Now we have this beautiful, oh well, it's missing a leg, horsey, and that's a...
If you like modern farmhouse boho decor and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here, so subscribe and click on the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, hit the thumbs up if you like this one and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Here's my social media, go and check me out.
Also from the thrift store, I have this beautiful bell that I paid 50 cents, and it is so cute. It is broken and it needs a little bit of love, but I just love it. It's too cute. Also, we have this beautiful pumpkin. It's a little bit older, not from this haul, but I wanted to show you because I'm gonna use it. And this anchor, and I just love it. It's missing one of them, but I think it's beautiful even missing that one. Now we have this birdie that I paid $2, and look at that. It's so beautiful. It will look beautiful on my Halloween decor. And I paid 50 cents for this one because it's missing its beak, and also it has a little bit of damage on its leg. But we can fix that and it will look beautiful. And now we're gonna move on to Walmart. And for Walmart, I have this beautiful, creepy garden fence for $2.24, and I got 3 of those. And I have this bag of bones, also from Walmart. I lost the thingy that goes on the top, but I paid $9.98 for that one. And it comes with a little bit of everything. And I have those pumpkins, and those are the 98-cent pumpkins from Walmart. I also have this sign for $4.88, and this says Happy Halloween, yeah. And I have this window clings for 98 cents, Happy Halloween on one, and this beautiful haunted mansion from Walmart, also Happy Halloween. Now moving on, I have this sign for $3.88, I think, and it says Bat Wings. And I just love it, and it is metal, and it is awesome for my Halloween decor. And I got this one from $1.97, and it says fresh pumpkins, but I think we'd have to spruce it up. And I got 4 of those Hello Pumpkin or Hello Fall pumpkins. And I also got this bowl that I will be doing something special with that one. You have to stay tuned to see. I got the spiders, but as you can see, I already used 4 of them for $1.98, and this is an awesome bargain because they are really good. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. And here you can see all of them together. Here are the BeeBeecraft ones. And you can find in the description box down below their link to all of these products so you can go and check them out. And also a $5 coupon code on orders over $40. So go and check them out because I know you're gonna love them. And now I'm gonna show you everything else that I got from the thrift stores and also from Walmart. Remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here, so subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts, well, 4 of them. So you can go and check out that playlist and check those ladies out. I know you're gonna love them. And remember to hit the thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you love it so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.